The trap snapped at the right time.
Oh, heavy!
Got it. Watch the step.
Oh, Jesus!
What the?
Ah, it's in my eye!
New paint? Are you kidding
My
me?
hoodie! It's
It
ruined!
tastes like chemicals.
Oh, I
It
can't
tastes
see a
like
damn thing! Who
We're
does
gonna get
this?
busted, man. This
Instant regret in full color.
Yo, puppy! You damn idiot! Ah, what the? Ah, God!
A messy ending from frame 1.
Why does this paint smell like dog?
What the hell is wrong with you?
Oh my god, it smells like actual
You think this is funny?
You're a sick freak!
You're a psycho!
Damn psycho!
Booby trap!
That box fought back immediately.
He wasn't doing anything wrong and now he's covered in this blue mess.
Better come out here and explain.
The getaway ended in paint.
Whoa! Run!
This plan failed in seconds. No one expected that splash.
Oh, damn it. Gotta be kidding me. Piece of...
One grab, one unforgettable mistake.
We were just taking the package to keep it safe. There are thieves all over this neighborhood, you idiot! You're a disgrace!
Front door chaos in one move.
It's everywhere! You gotta be kidding me!
They froze the second it burst.
Ma'am, please calm down. You can't leave without
Traumatizing
paying.
my child. Do you hear yourself?
No one is touching your...
The package had a defense system.
Now it's bubblegum slime! Look at it, it's dripping down my muzzle, it's in the ears, it's in the tail, this stuff stays forever!
You can hear the panic here.
Thank you, God. I really needed another package.
Oh my... Damn it! What the hell?
Porch pirate update and no one stayed clean.
Damn it! You stupid... it's everywhere!
Porch pirate update with zero chance to recover.
This isn't going to end well for you. You have no idea who you mess with. We're taking this straight to a lawyer. This is harassment. This is illegal. You can't just spray people like this. Look at us. Our clothes are ruined. Do you think you can just hide behind a door? You're documenting everything. Cameras, paint. You paid for it.
Porch pirate update and no one stayed clean. Take 15.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me! The hell?
Chaos report caught in real time.
Oh, God! Why me? Why does this always happen to me?
Chaos report and no one stayed clean.
What the? Are you kidding me? Oh, no. Man, come on. Who does that? My hair, my clothes.
Paint trap alert with full camera proof.
Oh, what the? Oh, my face! Somebody... Hey! I need help!
Paint trap alert caught in real time.
Watch it. Got it. Hold on. Huh? That's Santa just... Oh, shit. Ah!
Porch pirate update and no one stayed clean.
We were just
Take
taking the
20.
package to keep it safe. There are thieves all over this neighborhood. You're a disgrace of a human being with the dry cleaning in our hair.
Paint trap alert with zero chance to recover.
Listen, my lawyer, I promise you that. I should be calling the police right now for what you did to him. Look at him. Look what you did.
Humiliating.
You think this is funny?
Chaos report caught in real time. Take 22.
Oh, what the? Oh, my face! Somebody... Hey! I need help! This ain't right.
Doorstep surprise and no one stayed clean.
In a house like this, what kind of psychopath does something like that? Look at me. This is permanent damage. You did this. I'm going to sue you for everything you've got.
Porch pirate update caught in real time.
Oh, my
I told you this was a terrible idea.
It's...
Chaos report with zero chance to recover.
What's wrong with you? Are you broke or something?
Dad, come on.
Yeah, keep hiding! You hear me?
Porch pirate update with full camera proof.
To him. Look at him. Why would you booby trap your porch like some kind of psycho? It doesn't affect you. The company would have sent you another one anyway. You ruined his clothes for absolutely nothing.
Please stop.
Can we just...
Chaos report with zero chance to recover. Take 27.
Damn it, I told you we shouldn't do this! Go, go, go!
Chaos report with zero chance to recover. Take 28.
What the hell?
Porch pirate update caught in real time.
What
Take
is your
29.
problem? I